I don't think, had we continued on the path we were on absent TPG, that we would have had a chance to scale not only our company, but also the kind of folks that we bring into the company that can also do the work that we need done and maintain the culture that we have. My name is Dean Schauer. I'm the president and CEO of Confluent Medical Technologies. Primarily, we do implantable medical devices, typically critical care devices. So you can imagine folks that need a mechanical heart valve or aneurysm protection stents. That's some of the kind of products that we make. We've been at it for about 8.5 years prior to TPG's investment. You can imagine going from a business that had 300 people, 2 locations, to now we have almost 2,200 people across 8 locations. Our business, in some cases, grew faster than our sophistication did and our capabilities did. So you can imagine having a partner like TPG coming in with the resources and capabilities that they have has been a tremendous help to our company to continue our growth and scale. I think we were starting to butt up against sort of what we knew we could do or knew how we could do it. And they brought this amazing pool of resources and experience and talent to help support the continued growth that we have. Our company's growth is not slowing down, so we certainly needed the help, and they've been bringing finance, M&A activities, HR, recruiting and hiring, financial insights. It's been incredibly helpful to have them on our team. When we started to spend time with the TPG deal team, obviously they had all the financial stuff and all the modeling and all that, but what we really looked for was something that we thought was the most important thing for their benefit as well as the company's, which was, is there a culture here that matches? Because we didn't feel it would be fair to someone to acquire us and put a different culture in place, because that, I think, would have directly affected the success of their investment in our company. Spending time with them, it was very evident that that was not going to be a problem. They have really helped us learn and understand the power of data than we would typically have access to, and how to use that to make decisions. Data is one thing. Being able to make decisions from the data set and get information about how to make decisions or how to think about data has been really helpful. The things we make are truly life-changing, life-saving, or in most cases, some lifestyle preserving for folks. They can't. If you need a mechanical heart valve and you don't get it, it's not like you can wait 3 years and hope prices go down or something. You need it, and it's going to affect your life dramatically if you don't get it, maybe even ending it, right? So that's a pretty amazing thing to be able to tell your parents, what do you do? We make stuff that saves or preserves life, right? I would have never imagined getting a chance to say that, and that's something that we really enjoy and don't take lightly. The materials that we make our products out of are very difficult to get a hold of. There's a meaningful shortage of the materials that we use on the metal side in the market today, to the point where folks have had procedures that they've been unable to do because they can't get enough of the metal to create the implants. I think a very specific area that TPG is helping us with is investments that we're making to bring on more capacity for those metals to be available, not only for us, but for other folks that do conversion. We would not be able to make the investments that we're able to make today to bring that additional capacity online had it not been for our partnership with TPG. And without that, the industry itself would, over the next 3 to 5 years, see a meaningful shortage in the availability of that material. So it's a pretty important partnership that we've been able to create.